Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Novice Artist Studio. I'm so happy you're here today. Whether you're an experienced artist, someone who enjoys doodling, or you're simply looking for a peaceful way to relax, this video is for you. Today, we're going to explore 10 easy Zentangle patterns using nothing more than a pen, paper, and a little patience. So find a comfortable spot, take a deep breath, and let's spend a few mindful minutes creating something beautiful together. One of the things I love most about Zentangle art is its simplicity. Zentangle encourages us to slow down and enjoy the process. It reminds us that creativity doesn't have to be stressful. Sometimes it can be as simple as putting pen to paper and allowing patterns to grow naturally. As we move through these designs, try to focus on one line at a time. Don't worry about the pattern as a whole. Just pay attention to the stroke you're making right now. Then the next one. And the one after that. Before you know it, a beautiful design begins to emerge. This is one reason why so many people find Zentangle relaxing. The repetitive nature of drawing patterns helps quiet the mind. It gently shifts our attention away from stress, worries, and distractions, and brings us into the present moment. In a way, it becomes a simple mindfulness practice. Mindfulness is really about paying attention to what we're doing without judgment. When you're drawing these patterns, there is no need to rush. There is no need to compare your work to anyone else's. There is only the experience of creating. The movement of the pen, the rhythm of the lines, and the gradual growth of the design become the focus. Many people also describe Zentangle as a form of art therapy. The act of drawing can have a calming effect on both the mind and body. It encourages patience, improves concentration, and provides a quiet space where we can slow down and breathe. A single curve, a straight line, a small shape repeated again and again. It's a beautiful reminder that meaningful results often come from small, consistent efforts. I think that's one of the lessons Zentangle teaches us. We don't need to accomplish everything at once. We simply need to keep moving forward, one step at a time, one line at a time. Over time, those small efforts create something wonderful. If you're following along at home, allow yourself to enjoy the process. Let go of perfection. Embrace the small imperfections that make your artwork unique. Some of the most beautiful pieces are created when we stop worrying about getting everything right and simply enjoy creating. One of the best things about Zentangle is that anyone can do it. All you need is a pen, paper, and a willingness to begin. I hope these 10 easy Zentangle patterns inspire you to explore your creativity and discover the calming benefits of mindful drawing. Whether you're here to relax, learn something new, improve your focus, or simply enjoy a few quiet moments, I'm grateful you're spending this time with me. Thank you for joining me today and for being part of this creative journey. If you enjoy videos like this, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Your support helps this community grow and allows me to continue sharing art, creativity, and mindfulness with all of you. Remember, creativity isn't about perfection. It's about showing up, being present, and finding joy in the process. Until next time, take care of yourself. Stay creative, stay mindful, and keep finding beauty in every line you draw. See you in the next video.